It's looking like we're going to go into some, isn't it?
Oh, your gloves.
Only if you're going to hold it out like a proper valet so I can just slip into it.
Fuck you know. No, he's going to hold it for you because he's written cunt on the back.
see, this is it with dicky shoulders. If you got it on. Thank you, sir. Thought he'd have done the fucking zip up.
Is he not?
No.
What a bastard.
He's left me the fence.
Half a fucking job.
Off you go, Nick.
Right.
All clear. Thank you. Oh, you don't need to worry about us. We'll make our way there. I'm going to write up here, Steve. Is he there?
Somewhere.
Can I hear Steve? I'm at the back and I can't hear a thing. Right, you're hanging a right there.
Right.
It's gonna be bluey. It's a lot easier to see that blue line, isn't it? Yeah, blue's definitely the colour. Blue is the colour.
Bonnie blue.
But the only other blue on the map is the motorway, and we know that if we're on there, we're on the wrong route anyway.
Scabby.
Yeah? And me. You called?
I did.
Oh, look at that.
Beauty.
Make the most of that.
Oh, yeah.
Starting to draw up again, isn't it?
What a 42-carat plonker you really are!
Oh, it's hailstones again. Yeah. Oh yeah, oh it is rough. Are we going left here? Yeah, I'll stop and let the others know then. Yeah, I'll let the others know. Right, when you come up to me, go left, not right. Yep. That was the bit where you go down to just see the castle with the view. But you're going to see fuck all today. Wouldn't be the Tour de Faff without a bit of drizzle.
No.
We waiting under the trees till it stops.
Have we got everybody?
Yeah, we're all there. We're all there. How fucking ironic that a tiny little road like this has probably got the best surface that we fucking been on.
Yeah.
Councillor Grunt Futtock.
Yeah, we were. Go left.
To the right, right, right.
We've gone the other way.
I mean, if you want to pull over, Joe, I'll phone one of them if you want. Right, he's not answering.
I think they're going to ring you in a minute, because my phone was just going off.
Let's try Rom.
Yeah.
Hello?
Hello!
We're here. We're in the bus stop in Logan waiting for you.
Oh, we're waiting for you in Logan as well.
Oh, well,
All right.
if you'll come to a very sharp left-hand turn when you almost come back on
yeah.
yourself. We're just there.
Yeah. Okay, no problem. See you in a minute.
See you in a week.
It'll be water on his radiator.
Your bike ain't. Look at it, look at it. Oh, hang on, I gotta get that on fucking film because we missed it last time. It looks like it's fucking on fire, doesn't it? Look at it. Anyone want sugar in their coffee? The kettle's on. Are you fucking boiling? Are you boiling eggs or something? As you go by, have a look at Nick's NT. Look, he's boiling the kettle. Joe's rather.
Now.
Did yours do that, Nick?
Not like that, it done.
Ah, see, you haven't got the fucking egg boiler special.
No, I haven't.
You're all right. We're fucking riding into 38-degree temperatures. Well, if you're behind Joe's bike, you are.
As long as the fire brigade haven't arrived.
So you got the 2025 version, Nick. You get fans on your radiators.
Yeah, I do, yeah. Yeah, Joe's is literally water cooled.
Oh, you're going that way, are you? No, carry straight on. Go on, mark it.
Are you marking your territory, Nige?
I am. I'm putting my scent everywhere again. Up here, up here. Go on, go on, go on, go on. This looks nice.
Lovely view.
I see wankers over there, look, wanker alert.
What do you mean complete wanker alert?
Oh, good detour. Very good detour.
Oh, hang on, we seem to have picked up somebody behind us. It's alright, no. Oh.
Toward down Mellington. Left, Joe, left, Joe. Joe, left. Go on, I've got market for them. Left now. Yeah, it's a spanky road. Yeah, the others are on this road now.
Got a car coming. There's a car coming. We got room. There we go.
Is there a car down with you lot? Car coming, Joe. I'll squeeze on by, Joe. Joe. I was gonna squeeze by, but
Can I squeeze by?
it's always a fucking squeeze.
All right.
Still clear. Turn right at the junction, Al. Yeah, I bet a few have been in there. Good man. Was he all right? Oh, fuck me, did he? What's that? Oh, in there, fucking hell.
Fucking hell.
You might see some ospreys.
Van.
I mean, that bit where the wanker division got lost, Mr. Turning.
Hang on. You mean the premium wanker division?
The wank section.
Yeah. Well, then you'd have a wanker from Yeovil with them, so...
He said, well, it's funny because Steve said, oh, they missed a turn, they got the wrong way. I said, they got Nick with them, who gives a fuck? That's a bonus.
Funnily enough, we thought something like that might occur. Yeah.
yeah, fucking Weymouth wanker's gone. The cameras are always on. Yeah, do, don't they? 72 minutes of top box footage.
Yeah.
I had on my fucking 360. I just scraped under that 18 ton. Got your jet boil, Ron?
Look like it.
That's all right. We can change batteries and shite.